Hello everybody, today we make penne arrabbiata. Ok, for the ingredient I got penne, plum tomato, my oil baby fresh hot pepper, I got a flake hot pepper, and I got a garlic. Everybody see my face today? Come no arrabbiato. Sono molto contento. You know what's mean? Arrabbiata is when you mad, but happy. I'm happy today. But after I eat this, I don't know. Maybe eat the penne arrabbiata, a glass of wine, maybe I'll be arrabbiato. But with a glass of wine, I'll be more happy. What it make this recipe special, okay, you gotta use hot stuff. And I got over here the flake hot pepper, but I got my oil baby hot pepper, Italian hot pepper. It's really spicy. Already smell it start to be sweat. And I want to start chop my oil baby. Oil baby, it's the hot pepper. And we start the cut in half. And I cut another half like this. And we open up, because I gotta be really, really spicy. Okay, now we cut the pepper like this. And we put this on this little dish over here. Okay, now we gotta start to chop the garlic. And the garlic you can chop it any way you want. And I do like this with a knife. And we chop a little bit. Okay, now we start to put the oil, because I gotta fry the garlic. You need a little extra oil, okay, you got the plum tomato, you need the extra oil. And we raise the flame a little bit. And I got the garlic. Yeah, I leave it fry the garlic. But make sure to not burn the garlic. Okay, we lower the flame a little bit. At the same time, I put the fresh oil baby hot pepper. And we turn this now. Okay, now we put the plum tomato. And look how beautiful this plum tomato. Okay, good. We give a nice turn. We put the gas on medium. And this plum tomato not take too long to cook. What I do, I use this wood spoon. Okay, you can squeeze like that. Okay, now we use a little salt. It's enough. It's like a teaspoon and a half of salt. Okay, now this you gotta cook on a medium. Okay, you don't gotta boil it too hard. I got over here on a medium already. Okay, you don't want burn not. You gotta come a nice red sauce. Okay, now the water boil. But before I put the pasta, I want to put a little hot flake hot pepper. And we put not too much. I got the other pepper gets really hot. And I give a little turn on this. Okay. And now we go with the pasta. And the water boil. And I salted already the water. And we give a nice turn for the pasta. And this pasta, you gotta cook 10 minutes. It's 11 minutes, but I take it out before, because I want to cook a little bit with the sauce. Okay, now I want to pick up my fresh basil. I want to wash, and I want to put in my sauce. Okay, now the pasta is nice al dente. I pull it right over here like this. And I want to pick it up and I put it right over here. Look how beautiful it look. It's okay. See, got a little extra water. It's water for the pasta. It's okay. After I gotta cook a little bit more with the sauce. Okay, now we give a nice mix. Oh, look. It smells so good. This is a spice. Now, this is a mix. And what I want to do, I got my basil. And I don't cut it with a knife. I want to cut it with my finger, can come out, lose no juice. And look at this. Oh, so good. Okay, and now we give a turn, and this, it gotta be really spicy. And I want to say something. One time when I was in Italy, what happened, I cooked this dish, and my friend, I said, oh, I got the pasta with the sauce, you want to eat? He said to me, oh yeah, I want to eat this pasta. He started to eat. After he started to look at me, he started to go, I said, what's the matter? He said, I don't know, this is pasta. I said, questa è pasta arrabbiata. Arrabbiata, it's with a hot pepper. It burn your lips. Okay, now this is ready. And we put it right over here. It's a time of the test. And I want to give a nice little turn. And look how beautiful it look. Really nice. Okay. Now, I use a little cheese on the top, my pecorino cheese. And now, it's a time I want to test. And look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. It tastes really good. You can feel the spice of my oil baby and the flake of the pepper. And you taste the sauce, so sweet. The sauce is sweet, but it's hot pepper. And plus, I got another piece over here. Let me chop another one over here. Yeah. Let me put a little bit more pasta. Okay. The taste, the flavor, everything, it's really, really good. Make this dish. Okay, after I want to hear somebody that said to me, thank you very much, Pasquale. And with a nice glass of wine, I want to say to everybody, salute, chin chin, and we see you next time. Salute, chin chin. Thank you very much.